Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to askNK. This is the marketplace free content for the month of September 2021 from the folks at Epic Games, creators of Unreal Engine. Now this month we have about 5 free contents that you will be able to get and 1 permanently free content, which is pretty nice. So getting started, the very first one is the Alchemist House. So for those who've been looking for low poly assets, or maybe you're looking for a set of low poly objects that you can use to create your own interiors, this asset is pretty clean as it comes with over 100 hand painted assets that you can work with and throw into your scene. So depending on the kind of props that you want to use for your low poly design, you will definitely find something here. Now the number of meshes you'll be getting from this is 168. The number of textures which you'll be getting is 150, and each of these textures are 1K textures. Now if you're thinking about using this for games, this is intended for Windows, iOS and also Android. So for mobile app developers and also for PC app developers, this is something that you will be able to work with. Moving forward, there's a close combat animation set that you will be able to play with right now. The close combat pack consists of 46 different animations which include attack, blocking, evade, locomotion, hit reaction, and also some more. Now all of these are being rigged to the Epic Games skeleton, and the animation type is a root motion, which simply means that it stays in one place. Of course, you can also proceed to explore some other things that he has that deals with the targeting system. And this is for those who would like to combine these two and actually work with it. So there is an announcement that the targeting system is currently for free, but when I did check it out, it actually says that it's not for free, as this is supposed to complement these other ones. So for those who would like to come through and check it out, this one is right here, so you can proceed to grab it for yourself. Next up is the level design toolkit. Now the level design toolkit is for those who want to quickly and speedily create or build their levels and actually say goodbye to using the control key to actually do multiple clicking or clicking and dragging and making copies. So this one comes with a set of blueprints that you can grab and work with, and it actually helps you get some things done faster. With about 33 blueprint classes and 5 editors, you can do a whole lot of things. So in case you're thinking about placing things based off a spline or placing things based on a straight line, then you can also use this for yourself. There's a grid snapping tool, there's an alignment tool, and a couple more things that you can come through and check out. Now something else which is also available for this month is the old brick house. So more like what we saw with the Alchemist House, the old brick house is a fully furnished vintage house model that you can grab, tear into pieces and use them to create your own stories. So it's a package that contains a fully furnished 2-story home with an interior and also an exterior that's been carefully detailed with hundreds of high quality vintage props. So you can proceed to check this. This is very, very interesting, and you can grab a whole lot of props from this and use them for your own games depending on what you want. Now this comes with over 400 different meshes that you're working with, and in terms of texture, there's a huge set of texture size that you will be getting with it. So there's just a whole lot of things that you can grab for this one. And for those who would like to come through and check this one out, link as well is going to be in the description, so you can do well to check it out. And last for this month is the procedural spline wall system. So you want to create walls and you want to make these things procedural. You know, you want to get that Houdini sort of style thing happening for you, and this tool will help you get that as quick as possible. Now the procedural spline wall system allows you to easily create walls in any shape and have them snap automatically to the landscape of choice that you're working with. Now this includes different looks and appearances and settings, which allows you to easily use these to customize the materials and also customize the meshes that you're working with. This comes with about 20 different meshes. The texture size is 2K. There's no level of detail, collision is present, and you'll be getting about 232 different textures that you can tweak to your liking. Now it comes with 16 pre-made looks, which include bricks, stones, sci-fi, and also a whole lot more. And for those who like to create procedural walls, you know, you want to create a procedural spline system, this is definitely one of the cool ones that you should consider checking out. Now with that said, let's talk about the permanently free content that is available for this month. So this month there is a procedural building generator, very similar to what we have here, which is a procedural spline wall generator, but this one actually generates building. So we've already talked about the procedural building generator thing before, but that was for Blender, and now it's good to see that Master High Poly is making this available for free for anyone using Unreal Engine. So you can save yourself a whole lot of time by simply generating buildings automatically directly in Unreal Engine, and this can come in handy for populating tons of buildings around your scene. I love the idea that this is super procedural and you can tweak these things to your liking. Now, there is also a couple of technical details that comes with this one, as you may want to come through and check this and also get informed by it. Now, it is artistically driven procedural generator, and it comes a full control on the building aspect. So depending on what you like to tweak at any given point, you can have these things working for you. Probably going to go ahead and talk about this sometime in the future, but right now, this is a pretty cool tool that you should come through and get while it is totally for free. And that's about it. Tons of cool stuff that you can get for this month. A huge shout out to the folks at Epic Games for making this one available. And you can go over to the link in the description that will bring you right here, where you will be able to download these and start working with them. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section. And of course, if you like this video or you learned something from this, you can go ahead and give it a like, and don't forget to share with a friend. And if you're new here, it's going to be amazing for you to hit the subscribe button and also turn on notifications so that you don't miss the next video or the next update. And until I see you guys again with a tutorial update, Free Friday, Tutorial Tuesday, tips and tricks, things like this. Peace.